Hello. I wanted to show you guys what to do if you find yourself owning a 350Z and your front windshield washer quits working, but your rear one is still working fine, but you don't need it anymore. What I did was I swapped them around. The washer reservoir is located at the front fender of the car, at the right front. And the one closest to you is the front washer for the front windshield washers, for the front windshield wiper. And then the one back here is for the rear one. I just did a rear windshield washer and wiper delete, so I didn't really need that anymore. And I didn't want to accidentally hit the button and spray water all through my stuff. And what I needed was needle nose pliers, turning the wheel to the left, a good flashlight, and this to catch all the crap when it goes out the bottom. And what you want to do is just remove these terminals right here. There's two. One is light gray and one is dark gray. The dark gray is for the rear and the light gray is for the front. I took both motors out and switched them around, and then took both tubes out and switched those around. It's going to take some pulling, but you can do it. And these took a little bit of force to get off too, but you want to be careful because there's two wires coming out. And really you just switch everything around. And now I pretty much just have a dummy one and a working one. So when I go to push the button, the rear no longer works anymore, but that's okay because I took all the guts out. And the front sprays washer fluid again. Also remember, when you take the motors out, there's a black gasket, and that's needed to seal the water in. If that comes out, water is going to spew out of the bottom. It's kind of hard to get back in, but you can kind of see it right there where it goes into the hole. That was a pain in the ass. But I hope this video was helpful. And remember to drain everything into a pan. Bye.